Discover the ultimate universal curler and styling tool, the CurlQ 3-barrel interchangeable curler. Designed to meet all your hairstyling needs, this versatile tool comes with 3 titanium curling barrels, a heated round brush, and a ceramic paddle brush. Perfect for travel, the CurlQ breaks down into a compact size that fits neatly into any storage bag. Whether you're at home or on the go, you'll have the power to create salon-quality styles wherever life takes you. The titanium curling attachments heat up quickly and evenly, locking in smooth, frizz-free results that last all day even in humid conditions. The CurlQ is equipped with advanced technology for effortless styling. Rapid heat up. Ready to style in just 90 seconds. Tailor the heat to your hair type for safe, effective results. Memory function remembers your last setting so you can pick up right where you left off. From curls and waves to straight styles, the CurlQ delivers versatile, professional-grade results for all hair types. It's the only tool you'll need. Get yours today and transform your hair game with CurlQ.